Splash into summer at Boomer Lake Park.
Grab your family and friends to celebrate Independence Day with a bang at the Boomer Blast Fireworks Show.
It's the most wonderful time of year, Christmas in July at the Prairie Arts Center.
The full lineup of classes will make you feel both holly and jolly.
Celebrate at Stillwater's Jumpin' Little Juke joint for their 47th anniversary week.
Stop by for great eats, drinks, the reject sale, and of course, cheese fries.
You'll go crazy over the discounts, bargains, and more at Stillwater's largest retail event, Crazy Days. Ooh.
Shop at 405 Mercantile for unique finds in clothes, home decor, and gifts.
The entire family will have a very good time at N40 Berries.
Grab a basket to pick from 6 different varieties of delicious blackberries right off the vine.
Get outside and enjoy the trails at Lake McMurtry.
There's something for the entire family, including hiking, fishing, cooling off the swim beach, or disc golf.
Don't miss a beat in America's friendliest college town.
For a full listing of events, check out visitstillwater.org.